Hi everybody, welcome to the Super Mario Wonder martial arts lesson today. In this lesson, we're gonna practice some fun moves, we're gonna defeat some Goombas, and maybe we're gonna fight off Bowser. Okay, before we get started, let's get started with the warm-up. Chariot, Ganye. Awesome. All right, today here's gonna how we'll warm up. We're gonna have our arms like this. We're gonna swing them left and right. Everyone say Hana, Dur, Set, Net, toss it. Awesome, good, nice. Now we're gonna swing one arm just like this. Everyone say Hana, Dur, Set, Net, toss it. Awesome. Let's do the other arm now. Ready? Hana, Dur, Set, Net, toss it. Awesome. All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna bring out a coin block. All right, so here's the coin block. So here's what we're gonna do to warm up. We're gonna throw 20 uppercuts on the coin block to get all the coins, okay? All right, ready? Together, let's go. And everyone say, Hana, Dur, Set, Net, toss it, Yaset, Igop, Yede, Ahop. Yeah, good, awesome. All right, 10 more. Now this time we're gonna have a race so you can be faster, okay? On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, nice, not bad, not bad. Pretty good. Let's want to try it again. All right, let's try it again. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice, good job. You guys have 5. Awesome, very good job. All right, now I hear that Princess Peach is locked in the castle. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go through a level. We're gonna defeat some Goombas, defeat some Koopas, and maybe we'll see Bowser at the other end. Are you guys ready to start? Can you say yes, sir? I don't believe you. Yes, sir? Awesome, good. All right, let's get started with the level. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we're gonna jump over this ledge. Ready, jump. Awesome, good, good job. Oh, here's some Goombas. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stomp on them with axe kicks. Ready, axe kick, go. Good, good job. And go. Good, good job. And go. Good, good work, you guys. Again, go. Good, nice, good. One more, go. Awesome, good, good, awesome. All right, oh no, I see some Koopas. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. There's gonna be some green Koopas and then flying Koopas. The green Koopas, what we gotta do is we gotta front kick it up. We're gonna catch it, and then we're gonna throw it at the Goomba that's, or not the Goomba, but the Koopa that's flying, okay? Let's do that together, ready? And then we go kick, catch, throw. Awesome, good, good, again, ready, kick, catch, throw. Awesome, good job again, ready, kick, catch, throw. Awesome, good job again, ready, kick, catch, throw. Good, nice, one more time, ready, kick, catch, throw. Awesome, good job, you guys, high five. Awesome, very good job. Okay, looks like I see Bowser at the other end. Let's go ahead and meet Bowser, let's go. Hi everybody, hope you're enjoying this YouTube lesson. Now real quick, if you're interested in supporting Dojo Go and getting exclusive series and content not found on YouTube, be sure to visit our website, dojogohomeschool.com, to find all of our exclusive content there. Now, back to the video. Okay, oh, what's Bowser got in his hand? Looks like he has a Wonder Flower. And, oh no, he just turned into Giga Bowser. Okay guys, we gotta fight off Giga Bowser, but I don't think we have the powers to do that. What's that? Another Wonder Flower? Okay, let's try this Wonder Flower and see what happens. Okay, whoa. All right, well, now we're big, we're giant. I think we can face off Giga Bowser. And looks like we got some fire powers as well, okay? So here's what we're gonna do, you guys. We're gonna practice some combinations to defeat Bowser. We're gonna use our hands to punch and our legs to kick. Our punches are gonna be fire punches and our kicks are gonna be ice kicks, okay? So let's practice that together. Hands up, fighting stance. Awesome, all right, everyone say jab, cross, hook, front kick, front kick. Awesome, good, awesome. All right, next combination, this time, double jab, cross, hook, scissor front kick. Awesome, good job again, let's do that again. Double jab, cross, hook, scissor front kick. Awesome, good. All right, we're gonna finish them off with a special move. We're gonna do a back kick. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna step and turn, look over the shoulder. Now to charge up this move, we gotta pick up our knee and we gotta hold it for 10 seconds. Okay, so let's try it together. Everyone pick up your knee, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome, good job you guys, high five. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson today. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new weekly videos. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. Now, if you did like it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, parents, if you're looking for a way for your child to learn how to meditate like a Catholic samurai, like Blessed Justa Ukan Takayama, I've designed a free course that you guys can get down below. All you need to do is visit dojogohomeschool.com/samurai for Christ. Again, dojogohomeschool.com/samurai for Christ, and you'll learn all about the way of Saved Ignatius mental prayer, the same methods that Blessed Takayama, a Catholic samurai, used to meditate. So, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all later.